Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to overdraft Chime card. Now in order to overdraft Chime card, you can use Chime Spot Me service. Now if you don't know about Chime's Spot Me service, then let me tell you that Chime Spot Me is a free service that allows eligible Chime customers to overdraw their checking accounts by up to $200. SportMe can be used for debit card purchases, ATM withdrawals, and cashback transactions. So, in order to eligible for it, you must have an active debit card and a qualified direct deposit. So if you meet these requirements, then you will have to launch your Chime mobile application, and then if you see this Spot Me banner on the top, then you will have to tap on Setup Spot Me option. But if you are not able to see this banner on the home page, then you will have to click on this gear icon in the top left hand corner. After that, once you are in your settings, you are going to see this Spot Me section where you are going to see this overdraw up to $20 with no fees tab. So simply need to tap on it, and after that you will be able to see your limit, and on top of it you are going to see the option of overdraft fee free. So you just have to turn this toggle button on, and this way you will be able to easily enable Spot Me, and with the help of it you will be able to overdraft your Chime card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.